What's up, y'all? So today we're going to be talking about the only resource you need to succeed in organic chemistry, and that's Organic Chemistry as a Second Language by David Klein.
Yep.
Now, these books cost anywhere from like $20 to $25 on Amazon, and I'll be leaving a link in the description so you guys have easy access to that purchase.
And $20 to $25 isn't even that bad, considering most textbooks can be like 60, 80, 100 plus, and you're gonna use this one a lot more than those.
Yeah.
And so David Klein is a senior lecturer at Johns Hopkins, and he wanted to make an Orgo book, basically that puts Orgo in plain language to avoid all the PhD chemistry language that everybody loves using.
Okay, so the reason we like this book so much is because it has a ridiculous amount of practice problems in it. And our number one piece of advice to succeed in organic chemistry is practice problems. And not only does it have practice problems, but it also has a detailed solution for each problem. And the reason we like this so much is because it's not just, confusing language explaining how to do each problem, or it's not just an answer. It's a detailed solution that really explains to you each step of how they got to the solution, and it makes it much easier to understand.
It kind of just clears up any question that you might have about the reaction.
Exactly.
And honestly, this is going to save a lot of time when studying, especially when exams come around, because you're not going to be grinding through the problem yourself, trying to figure out the way they did it. Like, oh, how did they get this? Even though they show it. And basically, we recommend two ways of using it.
Yeah.
The first way is it's going to be by looking in the syllabus and looking at what topic you're going to get taught in class that day. And you go in and read that chapter before class, and that's going to help a lot going into class because you're going to retain a lot more information and you're just going to be ahead of everybody. But the number one way to use it, even though it's a little more annoying, I would say.
Yeah, more time consuming.
Yeah, you're going to have to read it over the summer break or winter break, whenever you're taking the class.
Yeah.
And trust me when I say this is going to put you so far ahead of everybody and just make your semester overall a lot easier. Because it's going to be like you're seeing everything for the second time. Everything is going to register better. And this book really shows you a good way of thinking about organic chemistry. So you can kind of just get the reactions and mechanism down pretty quickly.
Yeah.